How to use sidebar to access the apps in a Moto S15 Fusion and other Moto 50 series. By default, turn off the feature. To enable it, go to settings and scroll down up to gestures. Tap on gestures. Now here you can see sidebar, multitask by opening your favorite apps in a freeform or a full screen window. Tap on it. Now here you can see how you can access sidebar. Now toggle on it, use sidebar option. Tap on a setting gear icon. Here you can add the application or remove the application. Tap on a minus icon to remove application from the list. To add it, tap on a application. Now you can see add the application. You can also select tools, contacts to quickly access. Here we select screenshot option. Now tap on a setting gear icon. Here you can see open apps. Choose how you open apps in freeform or in a full screen. You select in full screen, you can see open app in full screen. Select in freeform, so only select portion of your screen. Open notification in freeform. Now you can see sidebar swipe from your screen. Go back. Make sure to go on it, use sidebar on your device. Here we select application. Now go back. You can see the sidebar icon here. Now swipe. You can see access the screen. Tap on next to see information. To open any app freeform, here we tap YouTube. Now you can access the YouTube application in this format. You can move it also. To remove it, move at the bottom. That's it. Like it, share it.